Okay, let's start. I'm going to pitch for web-based automation interface. So it's going to deal with something about automation. So let's go into the pitch. It starts. After industrialization, FD code. In the beginning, the machines were something like this. If you want to see something, or switch on a machine, or check something, you need to really get inside the machine and check it. You know how life is hard with that. Then General Motors and other companies started to check what they can do, and they bring out cool stuff. But the problem is still there. If you want to switch on a switch at that end, he needs to run there and run back. A lot of people required. Still, the problem is not solved. Then the Windows platform came, and it's like get converted to such sweet human-machine interface. So things are simpler. Everything is clear. Like few people are enough to change the values. But if there is a fault in the system, which is 10 kilometers away, you need to call him, or you need to like go and come back to the control room. So existing solution is such a way that all the machine is spread around the factory floor, fixed heavy control systems that you cannot carry with you. And platform dependent, everything is based on Windows. You cannot run it on your tablet or anything. And requires at least a Windows tablet. Here comes our project. It's about making life simpler. And this is our project. As someone said, a picture makes 1,000 words. So we need the web-based user interface to work on a tablet PC or a mobile phone, so you can just take it with you. And you can go to any missions. Our goals are compatible common standards, fast, easy to set up, environment independent, that is, whether it's Linux, Mac OS, or any operating system, you can work with it, and it's simple. So this is the basic idea behind it. You have a tablet PC or a system from which data is sent to the server and to the factory floor. And it's like the server calls the data from the missionaries and it's sent back to the user interface. What are our achievements are? What did we really achieve? An HTML5 system which is working on even on a smartphone, a 1 MB footprint, that is like nothing. We have 30 GB mobile phones and 1 MB is nothing. And local storage of data, that is once it is loaded, then you just need to update the values of the variables alone. So it's fast. And we were able to connect to Mezzo DNA software which is already available, and so that our client can just add this feature. They don't need to change the whole structure. And a small editor so that a non-software engineer can make the system. He does not need to have very high knowledge about the system. So it's all bullshitting, a lot of values. Let's go into what actually the thing is. So here is a simulation of our program where it's we are melting iron, and this is a user interface, and it's working on HTML5. As Sonia has said, you know what are the good things about HTML5. I don't need to say it again. And now I'm going to control something of Mezzo from my tablet PC. I don't need to go to Mezzo or see what's happening there. I just say, okay, start the thing. And I want to change the values. I said start, and here the start alarm is here. It's working, simple. You can do this with your smartphones and everything. Thank you.
Thank you. It took 4 minutes to do that presentation. Questions from the jury. Don't run away. Back on stage.
Okay, I have one question. You have this Mezzo case, so how this is usable or easy to apply to other cases? So what is the scalable idea of this?
Can you say it again? I didn't get you. It's like other companies doing the same thing?
Yes, how easy is to use it or adapt it to the other companies?
Actually, it's very easy because you just need to add one more feature to the existing system, and like it can work separate, like along with or separately. So it's not a big problem.
My question is regarding the security of the system. So how do you make sure that no one mimics your own sort of interface and controls from remotely?
Actually, as normal SCADA systems, you need to put user login and user passwords. It's everything on internet is vulnerable, so like you need to have some security. Actually, in this project, we haven't checked much about the security, so we were checking is it possible to do it, because there is no system works in such a there is no existing solution for it. So we were more into assisting, making a solution, then continue the project, and he'll be like Metso will be continuing the project.
It's using WebSockets and it's trivial to add SSL support for this.
Thanks.
Okay, my question is almost the same actually about the liabilities. As a lawyer, of course, I'm asking this all the time because it costs a lot of money if your system doesn't work. Because it's like million or 2,000 million per day if there's something wrong with the system. So have you thought about how to sell the security for the companies? What is it? How you secure them that it's secure?
Well, it's widely used on the internet already. You do your banking through an SSL connection. So, yeah, I don't think there's much to be said about that. Is.
So you compare it to an online bank?
Well, if SSL is cracked, then your bank will lose.
Thank you.
My question is, do I get it right that the system, you get also some warnings or some alarms? You can set the thresholds. So the difference is that you can be on the move and you're not bound to sit in the control room. Is that the major?
Yes, you can use it anyway.
Okay, great. Thank you. So, a round of applause for the team. And we have